In this video, I am going to cover PySpark SQL functions and the use cases. The example one will show you how to do a data cleanup, null handling, and conditional functions. In the first statement, I have written a Spark session, and then I am imported SQL functions as a f. This is a object, and then created a Spark object, and then sample data. It is having name, date string, and score. Created a data frame with the name, date string, and score. And in the df2, I used the function, that is a coalesce function. What it does, it would take the name column, and if it has nulls, that null it replaces with unknown. In the second new column, that's a date, so to underscore date function I used. In the to underscore date function, date string column, formatting the date y hyphen hyphen dd. Here for month we need to give capital so this convert the date string into date format. And the next column is score field. It is taking the function ifnull. It takes score column. If in the score, if there are any nulls, it replaces with 0. And selecting all the new columns, name clean, date, score field. df2 dot show, it gives name clean new column, date, and score field. In the name clean, see in the data it is none, so replace it with unknown. In the date, here it is a none, so it is replaced with null. In the score field, there is a none, so it replaced with 0.